everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is the most awaited PLOUISE unboxing, and this one is the August box. It finally arrived. Honestly, it took forever. These normally ship, so this would have been the August box. So the August box ships on the first week of September. We're now 2nd of October, so look how long it took. It literally arrived today, and I'm so glad it's here. Let's open it because I'm dying to know what I got. There was a lot of choice. Very excited. Let's see what we got. We have the green packaging. I see neutrals. Okay, so I was hoping for if I could get some neutral colors and a skincare set. So with this bundle, this budget box this month, you could either get 2 different types of skincare sets or 2 different types of makeup sets, as they're after dark bundles. I know that I really wanted, honestly, some skincare, some brand new skincare from PLOUISE. I love her skincare at the moment. The foaming cleanser that I'm using at the moment is an oldie, but I just happened to just left it and I just opened it and it's just doing amazing things to my skin. So that's the first thing I'm gonna check, and it's a skincare set, guys. Oh my god. So I've got the After Dark Bedtime Babe skincare set. These are so cute. I love how they're like those do not disturb kind of packaging. Oh my god, I'm so happy I've got this. So inside we have Twilight Tonic Moisturizing Toner, Midnight Miracle Moisturizing Moisture Serum, and Lights Out Primer Serum. Would you use a primer at night? That's a good thing. This set focuses on enriching the skin with key ingredients, niacinamide and watermelon extract. She does like to use her watermelon scent. So niacinamide is a must-have hero ingredient in skincare, which I'm seeing everyone using it, even in foundations, funny enough, helping your skin to lock moisture in and keep harmful pollutions out, protecting your skin's precious natural barrier. So, and the watermelon extract, known for its plumping properties, is rich in naturally occurring antioxidants with vitamins A, C, and E, making it the perfect ingredient in your skincare cocktail. It drenches skin in moisture and helps maintain a glowing, youthful complexion. Guys, this is what I needed. This is what I was hoping for, and oh my god, I've never been so excited to open a package. So inside, 3 items, and I really needed a new toner, so thank the Lord this has a toner. Yeah, so we have the Twilight Tonic Pillow Soft Skin Moisturizing Toner. This is so exciting. I'm so excited for this. We then have, this is 100 ml, so good for travel, funny enough, which we like. We have a primer serum, and this is called Lights Out, which is 35 ml. So again, really good for travel, funny enough. So that's that one. And lastly, we have the Midnight Miracle. This is the moisture serum. So there's 2 serums. I'm trying to understand which one you put on first, because we have a primer serum and then a moisture serum. I'm hoping I'll be able to check and see which one is supposed to go before which one, but I am so excited for these. Definitely we have to do some sort of review on them because I'm excited for these, guys. I'm very excited for these. Okay, we could have had 3 different options when it came to the lip liner sets. This is the Take Me Away, Babe, We're the Best in Town. Now, is there different names for the different ones? This on the top says Best Served Sharp. I don't know if that makes a difference. But this is the pink version of the lip liner sets. You get 10 in a set. I know for a fact there's supposed to be a bundle where you get this and the palettes for a good price. I haven't been able to see it online, so I'm not sure if it's TikTok only, but I'm going to actually message him because I really want to get the other colors. And you get 10 lip liners, guys. 10 lip liners. And these are the pink versions, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to do a video on these. So we're definitely doing a video on these, swatching them and stuff like that. These are gorgeous. Let's see. And I wonder if I have any duplicates, because I have some of these in my kit actually. So there's 10 shades of pink, different types of pinks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So we have Lips Unlock, Sleepover Curb, Daydream, Feeling Fine, Put It in Neutral, I love that name, High Thrive, Plot Twist, Cheat Code, the 411, and Barely There. I think they could be new colors, guys. Oh my god, I want to get the neutrals and I want to get the reds, because these were 3 different types. And I was waiting to find out what colors I got so I can get the others, because the lip liners from PLOUISE, guys, are amazing. And the lipsticks palettes are amazing. I currently have a Kiko lip liner, and the lipstick palette, You Give Me the Ick. I have this shade on in the middle, and it's been on since this morning. We're currently filming at around 3 o'clock and it's still there. Fantastic those are. And we also have the lipstick palette. Now I want to get all 3 of them, because the size of these are perfect for makeup artistry kits, and I want to get all 3 of them for my kit. But I couldn't find the bundle, and I couldn't find these on the website, because I went looking for them this morning just to see if they were available to purchase. So I'm not sure if they're out of stock, or I need to find where it is. So this one is Play Your Cards Right. I love how there's her face on the actual tin and the packaging, like page. We love this. So this one is, I'm not sure if it's Play Your Cards Right is the color, or I'm trying to see. This one says Queen of Hearts though, so it's either Queen of Hearts is the neutral palette, or it's called Play Your Cards Right. I can't remember, because on the side it says Play Your Cards Right. So these come in a tin. Again, I love this packaging. And you have a little clickety here, so you just press this down and it opens. You do need some pressure, because I managed to open this already. Yeah, there you go. So you push this down and it opens, and you have 12 different lipsticks. Now I was a bit petrified that these might melt, because obviously we're still in a very hot climate here in Malta, and I was scared that these will melt. But they look like you can actually pop them out, because if I show you guys, can you see that little nudge on the side? I wonder if she'll be doing refills for these. That would be amazing. So we have 6 shades, I would say light complexion, and for a darker complexion. I love how inclusive she is, and the color schemes are gorgeous. This is the neutral nudes. I want to get the pinks and I want to get the reds, because these are perfect for your kit. If you like makeup, if you like to play with lipsticks, best formula ever. Non-drying, moisturizing, and they stay on the lips. Like you can see, this one has not budged. All in all, I've been really looking forward to this budget box, and I'm so happy with the colors and the ones that I've got in this box. Definitely be doing a review on, and maybe a video on the lip liners, and we'll probably have to do a review on the skincare, because I can't wait to try them now. I've been dying for some more PLOUISE skin, and I needed a toner. Mine just finished. Came at the best time, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of the budget box for August. We can't wait for the September one. The September one is going to be really good for makeup artist peeps, because I'm so looking forward to that, and that's going in my kit straight away. And yeah, that is everything for the August box. I love this. This is amazing. Like, I only paid 50 euros for this, and I got a lipstick palette, 10 lip liners, and we also got a skincare range. Like, how is that 50 euros? I can't quite figure out how she works out pricing, but wow, amazing, blown away each and every time I get a budget box. I've been getting them for over a year and I have never said I've not liked a product. This one had to be one of the most amazing ones in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know where you've been, and I'll see you guys in the next one.